Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ayesha Loves Makeup. Today I have a TJ Maxx haul, a beauty haul. I love TJ Maxx and Marshalls. I think I started a playlist. If not, I'm going to start one, but I think I started a TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul playlist. I'll link that down below in the description if you guys want to see any of my other TJ Maxx and Marshall hauls. I just love a sale, so I'm always in TJ Maxx and Marshalls at least once a week looking at like all the beauty products, skincare products, hair products that are on sale. And I pick out a few things for myself and then I film whatever you know, and then I film what I purchased with you guys because a lot of you guys say you enjoy watching those videos. I have been in TJ Maxx and Marshalls a lot the past couple of months, but I just haven't been filming it because your girl's been booked and busy, but I've started filming them again on my channel since you guys tell me that you guys like when I do those type of videos, amongst my unboxing videos and so forth. So I'm excited to share with you guys what I bought. And if you guys want to know what I got in my TJ Maxx haul, you guys know what to do. Keep on watching. Alrighty, we're about to dig in to all my new goodies, but before I do, if you're new to my channel, I just wanted to, introduce myself. My name is Ayesha, and your girl does a lot of makeup hauls and makeup unboxings on this channel. So pretty much if you love makeup just as much as I do and you love beauty content related videos, then I would say subscribe to your girl's channel and become a part of my YouTube family. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you know each and every time I upload a video. And if you like my video, you can just give my video a little thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Alrighty, so I'll start off with the basics. Purity Cleanser from Philosophy is the ultimate holy grail facial cleanser. I have been using this for years. Since I want to say Philosophy came out, I've been using this cleanser. I got this as a sample a long time ago and I didn't think I was going to like it. But I was like, why not as a sample? And I fell in love with this cleanser. I have so many cleansers just because I do, my channel is predominantly makeup subscription unboxes. So you guys know I get a lot of skincare. Because lately, especially the boxes have been giving a lot of skincare, unfortunately. So I have a lot of skincare as far as cleansers, toners, all that good stuff. But I always end up back with my Purity Cleanser. So this is like a one-step facial cleanser. So it's like a cleanser and a toner all in one. A cleanser, toner, makeup removal all in one. And it really is. I like a cleanser, kind of like the cleansing balms where I could just rub my whole face, my eyes, and get no burning in my eyes. And if it's not a cleanser like this or like a balm or like an oil, normally when you do that, it burns and stings your eyes. This cleanser I love because A, I can wash my face off, like wash my makeup off, but I can also take off my eye makeup as well with no irritation. So right off the bat, I loved it. Like it really is a one-step facial cleanser. Then also, like you don't need a toner. It's like a toner in one as well. So like you literally just have to wash your face and then start with your skincare regimen. But I wear a lot of makeup. I'm in the beauty industry, so I tend to have to like double cleanse, wash my face more than once. Just because I am a Virgo, I'm a perfectionist, and we like everything to be like 100% clean, home wise and body wise, hygiene wise. So I always like wash my face twice, just because. Sometimes I even wash it 3 times because you can never be too clean, right? So I bought 2. I was gonna buy the big sizes from Ulta, but I'm like, I know they have the 21 days of beauty. I'm curious if this goes on there. Sometimes it's on the 21 days of beauty. I'm definitely gonna buy this. But these were $14 and they were $23 originally and I got it on sale for $14.99. I don't know if you guys could see the price. Yeah, you guys couldn't see it. So TJ Maxx, thank you for the sale. I mean, you gotta play smart, be smarter, like about things. So why pay full price if you really don't have to? I'm never gonna pay full price if I don't have to. I love a good deal. So thank you, TJ Maxx. So now for the fun stuff, the makeup stuff. So my last TJ Maxx and Marshalls haul. Well, I think it was my Marshalls haul that I did. I went to Marshalls, and they had such amazing palettes on sale. So I'm going to show you, not that I need any more palettes, because I mean, I think I did a video, I'll link that down below, where I showed you my palette collection, and that was already like 300 palettes, and that was like a year and a half ago. So Lord knows, I probably have like 400 palettes now at this point. I don't need any more palettes, but I mean, you can never have too much or too many, right? So I got more palettes. The palette that I have on today that I got from TJ Maxx is the Nikita Dragon palette. She is a famous, like, I guess you could call her a YouTuber because she has a channel, but she's also like famous on Instagram and so forth. But I bought her palette. She partnered with Morphe. I took everything out the boxes just for time purposes for filming, but the palette was $26 and I got it for $19.99. I actually think I could have got this palette cheaper because I remember at Ulta, I want to say this palette was 50% off. But I just didn't get a chance to buy it. So it's not 50% off now, but it's just, I guess beggars can't be choosers. So one thing I don't like about Morphe is their palettes don't have mirrors. I like when they have mirrors because when I travel, I can just use this to do my makeup. I mean, I still would use this to do my makeup traveling too because it has fun colors and neutral colors, but I got this palette just for this color right here. Look at this color in the corner right here. Right here. So you guys see how beautiful that shadow is? Take a look, guys. Isn't it beautiful? OMG. Okay. Question, guys. Who's like me? You will buy a whole palette just for one shadow. For one shadow. I mean, it's a great palette, but like, I really wanted this color right here. So, what the heck, right? What's another palette? So, that's the first palette I got. Because I know you guys are probably going to ask what is on my eyes. So, that's that. And let's see what else I bought. Alright, so the next palettes are from Cara Beauty, which is like an indie makeup brand. I found out about Cara Beauty from like my indie subscription boxes. Because I've never heard of them before. But man, oh man, do they make beautiful palettes. They remind me kind of like either ColourPop palettes or Morphe palettes. I get more excited for, I think, actually they're both kind of the same, but they're in that type of range of quality, like ColourPop, Morphe. Very pigmented, low price point, which I love. So I bought these in my last Marshalls haul. I'll link that down below if you want to see it, because I have the prices and everything for that one in the video. But, like, they still had these there, so I just wanted to show you guys because if you're interested, the palettes are great. I've worn this a couple of times. The reason why I think I like Cara Beauty's palette so much is, if you guys didn't notice already, your girl loves glitter, glitz and glam, anything sparkly, and their sparkle shadows, look at the sparkle shadows on the bottom. They are amazing. I get so much compliments from their sparkle shadows that this palette... This one was cute because it had like a blush and highlighter in it. But I love the glitter. Like, I buy it just for like the glitters because I get so much compliments on it. But the shadows are nice too. And this glitter here, oh my gosh, the one on the top. Wow, 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 the compliments. Like, their palettes are amazing. So this was I got from Marshalls, but I just wanted to re-show you guys because... Don't sleep on Cara Beauty, guys. Do not sleep because I'm telling you, A1 products. So I've got 3 more palettes from them, which I'm excited about. They do come in sleeves, but I take them off, like I said, just because for time purposes for filming for you guys. So we'll start off with this one. This is called Beach Days Cara Duo. These glitters are so pretty, guys. I cannot wait to wear these palettes. Look at this, guys. Let me pull it back a little bit so you guys can see. So there's like a It doesn't really look sparkly on camera, but this one is like a sparkle. Oh, did I just put my hand in the palette? I did. You can kind of see that I just put my finger in it. Let me just wipe it to the side. The palettes are so pretty. If you guys like ColourPop, then I swear, I promise you, you'll love these palettes. But ColourPop never really has like true fun glitter eyeshadows like these. And these glitters are very pigmented. So I got this palette. This was only $5.99, and originally their palettes are only $8. So as you guys can see here, look. Can you see the price? $5.99, and it was originally $8. So I would have bought it for $8, but to get it even cheaper was a win for me. All right, so I got another Carol Duo palette. So I guess they called Carol Duo because a lot of them say Carol Duo on it, like the name Duo Glue. All right, ooh, this is pretty. So I love earth tones for my skin tone, like bronzy golds. So I'm gonna love this palette here. Look at this palette, guys. Oh my gosh. I get so excited to do my eyes. Like, I feel like that is like my signature, but like I'm always in a rush in the morning, so I don't put a lot of like effort into my makeup, even though it looks like it does. Like, this takes me all of like 10 minutes to do like an eye look like this, you know, because it's just glitter. I use glitter primer glue, and I put a little glitter on, and it looks like I did something extravagant, and I really didn't. I got this cute palette. It says Bailey versus Kaylee. So I don't know if this was because I know Bailey Siren has a YouTube channel where she talks about like murder mysteries while she does her makeup, which I think is like awesome and cool. So I'm wondering if this is her partnership with them or not. Or, I mean, it could just be somebody called Bailey, right? Maybe I'm thinking too much into it. But nevertheless, let's look at this. This palette is so pretty. Oh, I feel like somebody swatched this palette. But, I mean, this one didn't have a box. But I still bought it anyway. I told them they just had to make up a price because they didn't know how much it was. So they gave me a range between this palette and that palette and came up with a price. But this is what she looks like. How pretty is this palette? And now, like I said, I mostly bought it for the glitters in the palette. But the actual shadow is very pigmented as well. So it's a win-win for me. It's a win-win in the palette. I think she charged me $6.99 for this, if I'm correct. But, I mean, now these are just the new Cara Beauty palettes. I have, like, a whole bunch of them from my other subscription boxes. But, like, can you see that I'm obsessed with Cara Beauty eyeshadow palettes? You just have to try one, and then you're like, I need them all. So what happened was I had bought some of the Cara Beauty eyeshadow palettes in Marshalls, hence the haul that I have down below from Marshalls. If you guys want to watch, like I said, it's down below. But I know that they had more, but I'm like, the first time around, I'm like, Aisha, you don't need any more palettes. Stop buying makeup. You have enough. You have a beauty room filled with makeup. Like, Aisha, stop. But I can't. So I went back. I was minding my business. I just went to TJMAXX just to see what they had. And they had more Cara Beauty eyeshadow palettes. And I had to get it. So I got them. But I'm very happy. That's all I really bought. Because like I said, I don't need any makeup. I want. So your girl has to stop. But I don't think I'm going to. But I should. But I'm not going to. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy my haul, my mini haul videos. I'll see you guys all in the next video. I love you guys so much. If you guys loved my video today and me sharing my little haul with you guys, do me a favor, give me a little thumbs up. It does help the channel. Give me a like, give me a comment, give me a subscribe. We are growing strong. We almost at 2,000. Let's get it. Let's get it. Love you guys so much. I appreciate you guys.